everyone, and welcome to an XTIVIA webinar, delivering the information you need for the business future you want. We're sharing our knowledge to help your business thrive in today's new normal. My name is Alex Killian, and I'm the video producer here on XTIVIA's marketing team. And today you'll be hearing from some of XTIVIA's API experts. Before we dive into the webinar this morning, I would love to tell you just a little bit about our company. For nearly 3 decades, we've been providing a variety of IT services to hundreds of businesses in countless industries. If you can imagine the business outcome, XTIVIA can create it with technology. And with that, I'll go ahead and pass it over to Bill Marcial.
Thank you for joining the API Gateway and API Management Overview. We have Karen, a technical architect in the Titania's team, who will share his experience implementing native cloud API solutions for clients. Karen, can you tell us what are some of the best practices that XTIVIA uses when implementing cloud-native solutions for clients?
Well, cloud-native APM become most preferable options for enterprise for many reasons, but I want to focus on 7 main reasons. So let's start with the first one, and the first one is time to market. Well, cloud APM brings a benefit of quick setup and faster rollout. At any given point of time, to launch instance of APM just takes an half an hour or nearly half an hour. So within an half an hour, API developers has a full instance of API Gateway launched and ready. And more interestingly, to do this, one needs very minimal technical knowledge. So this is very interesting. Now let's come to second point, which is low upfront cost. All cloud APIM provides a pay-per-use pricing model. Well, this gives enterprises huge financial benefit because they can have API Gateway with very low initial cost. Well, this model is mainly useful for products which are under evaluation or projects which are still in POC stage. Let's come to next one, which is elasticity. Elasticity is very crucial for API Gateway because mostly they are deployed for customer-facing applications. Well, Cloud API Gateway has inbuilt mechanism to auto-scale based on the traffic spike and usage pattern. Well, they scale in and scale out so seamlessly without hindering any business activity, and it's very great. Let's come to next one, which is built-in features. Cloud API has many pre-built features such as policies and routing rules. This all can be used to develop API products very fast, very quickly. And this helps to hit the targets and hit the market very as soon as possible, very quickly. Next is very important, which is high availability. All cloud vendors operate from multiple regions. So we have the ability to launch API instance from more than 1 regions and serve our customer from multiple regions. If any region goes down, then traffic is automatically routed to nearest availability region. And this is great. Next one is developer portal, out-of-box developer portal. Developer portal become inevitable for API products because this helps customer discover APIs and try APIs with the different options. And it is also useful for customer to subscribe themselves to the APIs if they find it suitable for them. Well, all cloud API provides out-of-box developer portal with just need minimal look and feel customizations. And thereafter, it is auto-deployed along with API Gateway and ready to use for the customers. It's wonderful, like it saves a lot of efforts. Then last, I say it's very important because on-premise connectivity. Now every enterprise has a legacy systems running on-premise. So cloud has many managed services which gives a network connectivity between cloud, which provides a network connectivity between cloud and on-premise. Well, in this way, they can easily integrate their legacy systems to the cloud and route via API gateways to on-premise. And this all happens with very I can't say very less efforts, but it all happens with not a huge infrastructure need. Now, let me give a brief on one of our client engagement related to Cloud API. So our client has approached us with their legacy systems running on-premise data center. and their goal is to launch API products for their partners. And they want it as quick as possible, but that they're given only just 3 weeks. So to achieve this, we have come up with an architecture. For this architecture, we chose Azure as our cloud partner, and we also chose ExpressRoute as a network. ExpressRoute is cloud, but we have chose the network provider. Well, to explain this architecture, I have divided this into 4 phases. So let me take a phase by phase. Let me explain in phase by phase. First one is network connectivity, on-premise network connectivity. So before beginning anything, we should have a seamless network connectivity between on-premise and the Azure. So to do that, we used Azure ExpressRoute. Azure ExpressRoute is a dedicated encrypted BGP line between Azure data center and client's on-premise data center. But this led us to create many VPN gateways and route tables that ensure smooth traffic flows between various clouds, which is between various cloud service and client's on-premise data center. And once the network is there and ready, then the next concern is security. So which is second phase. For securing APIs, we use Azure Active Directory, because it gives a benefit of using OAuth2 protocol to authenticate and authorize every API call. Well, we also used IP filters and rate limiting policies to further granularize the security requirements. But moreover, client already using a web application firewall, so that we had to integrate with our solution. So we had successfully integrated, and that gave extra mile to our security requirements. The next phase is multi-region deployment, where for high availability, we deployed API gateway on 2 Azure regions using a multi-location deployment feature of Azure API management solution. It just needs additional connectivity from on-premise to the cloud. That's it. Then everything is out of box. Once we establish the connection, then everything is auto set up. So upon implementing this, we have now 2 API gateways handling customers and dividing and distributing load among them. But this also brought a reduced latency. So we have also got high availability and also reduced latency, because we are now having 2 API gateways simultaneously serving customers. The last phase is CI/CD. This is very important, because for CI/CD is mainly for development activities, but here it is very crucially important, because we now provided 3 environments for the client: Dev, QA, and Prod. So all the work will happen in development environment, and that has to be promoted to QA and then subsequently Prod eventually. So we were needed a continuous delivery process. So to achieve that, we provided CI/CD jobs, which runs on Jenkins. This automates the process of promoting from dev to QA and QA to prod with very low manual interaction, which reduces manual intervention to the level of clicking buttons. So this saved huge amount of time and efforts for the operation team of the client, and they were able to deploy and promote to the higher environments with very less time, and saving a lot of their time for other important.
Thank you, Karen. This concludes our session of API Gateway Management overview. If you have any further questions, please contact us. The contact information is below. Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you so much for joining our webinar this morning. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're happy to answer all your questions. And as a reminder, this webinar and all of our previous webinars will be available in our on-demand webinar library on our website. And you can look forward to a new XTIVIA webinar the 4th Thursday of every month. And if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you can check out all of the other resources we have going. We've got some really informative demo pieces and a lot of great content coming out. So check it out. and thanks for joining us this morning.